Hi everyone, this is Usman. Welcome to my channel Usman Physics. Brilliance of diamonds, optical fibers, formation of mirages. Yes, what you are thinking is absolutely right. All these are related to applications of total internal reflection. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is the reason for brilliance of diamonds and how optical fibers work. Brilliance of diamonds. Total internal reflection is the main reason for the brilliance of diamonds. The critical angle of diamond is very low of 24 degrees. So, if a light ray enters a diamond, it is very likely to undergo total internal reflection which makes the diamond shine. Diamond is cut into multiple planes and the cuts are different at the top and at the bottom. And you can see how these diamond it is cut into number of planes or surfaces. Let us understand more clearly what happens to the light when it enters a diamond. As light enters diamond, its speed is greatly reduced and hence refraction can be seen. As different colors has different speeds, there is great dispersion due to high refractive index of diamond. And you can see how the light has split due to dispersion. From here again the light will reflect internally and it has emerged out through one of the faces. This is the outline of the diamond, and let us assume a single light ray when it falls on one of the surfaces it will be refracted, and when it reaches the other surface, so let n be the normal to this surface and this will be the critical angle. As we see, the incident light it has angle more than 24 degrees, so all light is internally reflected, and when the light ray has reached another surface, let n be the normal here and c be the critical angle, and we see the incident light it has angle more than critical angle, that is 24 degrees, so all light is reflected again internally. Finally, the light ray has came out by refraction. As we know, diamond is cut into many number of faces. So these faces of diamond allow as much as incident light to enter the diamond at an angle more than critical angle and undergo internal reflections multiple number of times. Hence, we see unexpected flashes of a wide array of colors. So this is the reason for the sparkling of the diamonds. Let us know about optical fibers. An optical fiber is very thin fiber made of glass or plastic having radius about a micrometer. The basic functional structure of an optical fiber consists of an outer protective cladding, and the main function of this cladding is it reflects light back into the core. Now what is core? It is the inner layer through which light pulses travel. Because of small radius of fiber, light going into it makes a nearly glancing incidence on the wall. And you can see how the light is refracting first when it enters the fiber. Then afterwards, the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle and hence total internal reflection takes place. Let us know how a typical optical fiber works. Another important application of fiber optics is to transmit communication signals through light pipes. About 2000 telephone signals appropriately mixed with light waves may be simultaneously transmitted through a typical optical fiber. As we know, the optical fiber outer layer called as cladding made of glass with less refractive index than inner core. And this is the inner layer core where the light travels, and core refractive index is more than cladding. So core is denser medium and cladding is rarer medium. So when light enters the optical fiber, first it refracts, and when it has to pass from denser to rarer, the angle of incidence will be more than critical angle, and here total internal reflection takes place. So the straight line motion of the light can be made into travel through curved path. Finally, the light emerges to the other side of the fiber. So the clarity of the signals transmitted in this way is much better than other conventional methods. As we know, all organs of human body are not accessible to the naked eye of the doctor, especially the internal parts. So fiber optics is also the basis of the fibroscopes used in examining internal parts of the body through endoscopy. The doctor inserts an optical fiber pipe into the stomach through the mouth. Light sent through one set of fibers illuminates the inside of stomach, and that light again travels back through another set of fibers, and doctors gets image at the outer end, that is on the computer screen. So this is how the fiber optics these are useful in medical field. I hope all you have understood this video.